Hey everybody, welcome back and welcome if you're new. My name is Kimi and today I have a day in the life of a homemaker, some cleaning and some cooking for y'all. The cooking will be at the end. We got some cleaning to do and I'm starting off with a full bed of laundry that needs to be folded. So I hope this video brings you a lot of motivation and I will be back to chat with you in a few minutes. Also, I know this song's a little softy, I think that's what it's called, but I just love calming music, so I hope y'all enjoy it too. So it is storming like crazy here in North Carolina today. It's Thursday when I'm editing this. So I hope it's not too annoying with the voiceover, but I'm just going to fold this fitted sheet. I could not do this sitting down on my bed. And then we're going to make our way to the living room to clean up some. Just You're stronger now than you ever been. You gotta leave now, it's time to catch the wind. You will climb up high and look through the clouds. And when you're feeling low, I know you'll bounce back. Y'all, my vacuum cleaner was having a little fit, and I'm like, oh my goodness, this is it's a Shark Duo uplight. It's such a wonderful vacuum cleaner, and I do like the feature. It turns red when you're vacuuming if there's anything wrong underneath, so it gives you a warning to stop and clean out the bottom of your vacuum cleaner. So I did that, and look at all the stuff that I found. Bobby pins, oh my goodness, multiple bobby pins, like cord, like fishing line. So if you get a vacuum like this, they are really good, but make sure that you are not vacuuming over stuff like I did. I don't even know how this happened, because I try to make sure that I pick up all the stuff off the floor first, but they are little dark bobby pins, and if this happened in my bedroom, I probably didn't see the bobby pins because my poor carpet almost in my grass. It's dark green. Okay, so I'm gonna vacuum now. Hopefully it works and I don't have any other issues. Anyways, I always want to be honest with y'all when it comes to stuff that I buy, especially if I have it linked down below, because I would hate for you to follow the link down below and buy the vacuum cleaner and be like, hey Kimmy, every 2 weeks I have to clean out the bottom of my vacuum. This is terrible, you know. So I do like it though. I will say that. It's the best vacuum cleaner I've ever had, and I will take it turning red and me cleaning it out, because that's probably the reason why my other one died so easily. It's because I never ever cleaned out the bottom of it until it was time for me to change the belt. Okay.
Carried all the weight on my shoulder, had me going ever once I told you no. Told you no. Kept going like a marching soldier. Play my part, boy, I had to hold you down. Hold it down. When the tidal waves come around and wipe off what we built, would you fight for love, or would you back down and let our hope drown? When the world is everything to break us up for good, would you hang around? When all we got right now, tell me how you feel.
How is this for vacuum blinds? Oh yeah, oh yeah. Looks like flames. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I've never had vacuum blinds before. Before this vacuum, that is. Anyways, so cute. I like the little shape that it made, and I'm not touching it. It's gonna stay that way. So Aaron's gonna be home in about 30 minutes. So I need to go ahead and get this kitchen put away so I can cook dinner. I'm so excited. We're having like steak fajitas basically, and I am really excited. The rice is going to take the longest.
Tell me how you feel about us. Cuando esas caricias tocaban toda tu piel. Tell me how you feel about us.
And if you're curious, I am playing a modern Latin song, and that's because I like Latin music. So if you ever hear music in my videos, just know it's because I actually do listen to it.
When the tidal waves come around and wipe off what we built, would you fight for love, or would you back down and let our hope drown? Siendo que ya no te tengo, o al menos yo no tu amor. No, no, no. Tell me how you feel about us. Tell me how you feel about us. Cuando esas caricias tocaban toda tu piel. Tell me how you feel about us. Tell me how you feel about us.
Alright, so I'm about to get set up for cooking. I already have my rice going, but I'm getting out this pan. I am going to oil it just a little bit. If you have spray, you could use that. I just didn't have any on hand. But I do this because the meat doesn't have a lot of fat in it, so you're not going to have a lot of juices. If you have a non-stick pan, that may work too. And I'm using this meat. I've already forgot what it's called. Okay, carne picada. My goodness. I got it at Food Line. You could always buy whole steaks and cut them up if you want, but we just did this to save time. They are great for stir fries, and they have a little sticker on them that says for stir fries if you're looking for them. But I'm going to go ahead and ground this up, and then I'm going to toss in my frozen vegetables.
I had a feeling you'd come back and save me from all those lonely nights and heartbreaks. And I feel misplaced without you. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to, never wanted to end it like we did. I guess shit happens for a reason, but it's like something feels different from back then. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to, honestly I'm open wide. I don't feel like waking up without you by my side. I still see your silhouette. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to your bedroom?
So I'm going to cook this just enough for it to get browned up. I'm going to add the vegetables right at the end because they don't take long at all to cook. And the steak doesn't take long at all either. And if you don't like really tough steak, then I definitely would not cook this for more than like 8 minutes. It's such an easy meal. The rice will take you about 20-ish minutes. But the meat portion, you know, if you got 5 to 8 minutes left on your timer, go ahead and start doing the meat then. That way it doesn't overcook and you can actually enjoy your steak. I'm so tired of eating tough steak. I'm having to learn through trial and error not to overcook it.
Why don't we go back to your bedroom?
So everything is done now. I'm going to go ahead and get out 2 plates so I can fix errands too. And I'm going to dress our plates all fancy looking for y'all. Definitely do not do this if I'm not filming. Normally rice is just clopped on the plate and everything looks like a pile, like a mountain when you go to a buffet. You know what I'm talking about. Anyways, but I'm going to make it somewhat fancy looking. Y'all know my type of fancy is definitely not fancy, but it's my fancy, okay? So I'm gonna fancy it.
Though I want your touch, baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go on a fast. I need this night to last. So you are like me, wanna be free like a summer night. I'm feeling down, I don't know why. What an alibi. But I'm glad you're here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much, no, I don't need that much, yeah. Oh, oh.
So I switched tortillas because I forgot that Aaron's plate is the one that has the more food on it, and so I had to switch tortillas because I have a different tortilla than he does. Tortillas.
Baby, why so hasty? We don't need to go on a fast. I need this night to last.
Boom boom pow, Chef Ramsay would give me a 2-star. But that's okay, I still love him anyways. Alright y'all, I hope you've enjoyed this video and got some motivation or inspiration from it. This is mine. So it is the steak, the cheese, some street taco sauce, ranch because I'm out of sour cream, guacamole, and then I've got some rice right here and my tortilla shell. I may start a burrito, but then if I have leftovers I'll just eat it on the side. But I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. I know I didn't read a comment, but I'm so ready to sit down and eat. So I will see y'all back here on Monday for another video, and yeah, I will talk to you later. Bye.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun.